सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DJ Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a mandala art designing using Adobe Illustrator. Today is basically we make a mandala arts in Illustrator. The basic tips and tricks I will giving you today, how to rotate an objects. So here I go with Adobe Illustrator. So here is Adobe Illustrator interface. So I want to create a new file here. I want to make a file size 1280 720 size and then press enter. So here is my artboard. Today we want to make a basic mandala art designing using Adobe Illustrator. So here we go. Basically I need three different shapes for the art. I make a circle and copy paste it and go to Pathfinder, and I need intersect, right? This is intersect part, and I just rotate 45 degree and copy this and go to reflect tool, press shift and reflect it and match the size, right? This one of my object. Then I want to copy this and I copy it. Fill color, I don't need fill color, the fill color is none. So here fill color is also none. I just delete this one and copy and paste in place, neither paste in front, right? I fill the color into black color. So right, I have basically fine. I select this one and Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste and go to reflect tool and reflect this and arrange this to point and select this, and I convert the stroke into shape. So that's why I go to object and expand it. So my stroke is converted to, and then I want to make another object. So I make a circle here. This one is called direct selection tool. To edit the anchor point, I just drag the anchor point, and this one is called convert selection anchor point to corner. I just click on it, look, it will be corner. So basically I have these three objects, right? The first one and the second one and the third one. So I am using these shapes to make a mandala art. You can say vector art, something like in Illustrator. So here I go with, I just copy this and then let's make a circle first here, and I just drag this below like this. Okay, now what I do, I want to rotate this object. So I go with rotation tool. So my rotate is in center, so I press alt key and just click on it. I just press alt key and click on it. So when I click on it, rotation, this is a tricks in Illustrator. Rotate, I want to rotate 20 degree, then I want to copy this, then I press transform again, Ctrl plus D. So that's how you make a design using these shapes. This is easy? Yes, I think so. Then I need these shapes. I just select all these shapes and group it, right click, group it, and I just bring it to here, right? And I just want to rotate it to 90 degree, and then I want to make this type of shapes, right? Okay, then I copy this, okay, and I want to reflect this one. So reflect this one, and I need a line, right? So what I do, I just align them into like this and like this. Fine. Now what I do, I just select both the object, only this object, not the line one, and I group them. I just group them. Then what I do, I just go to object transformation and I want to rotate this from center. So I click here this time and I rotate 15 degree. Then I press copy, then I press Ctrl D. Look, this is so easy to make. Then I have the big one, so I just Ctrl C copy this, Ctrl V paste here, I group it and rotate 90 degree first. And here what I do, I just place it here and I decrease the size also, and here is my point. Fine. And now what I do, I just select the object and go to rotate tool, and in rotate tool I just click here and I need 10 degree copy. So here I press Ctrl D D D D D D. Fine. I just select this and delete this. Look how easy to create a mandala art using Adobe Illustrator. So you can make a different type of object and rotate these objects like me. This is a tips and tricks for you guys. And if you want to design it, I just select all the objects and go to object and expand this. So I expand all the objects into my shape, right? Then I select Ctrl G for group them. I basically want to see you how it's look like in black and white. So I make a black rectangle and right click and arrange this black rectangle to back, and this I select this one and I change into white color. So look how it look in white color. So there are basically two color in white and black. And if you want to gradient this, so just select the back one, I mean black color, then go to gradient tool and you can put the gradient color here also, right? I just copy paste this and just select the color. Next select this color and change to 45 degree. So this is so easy to make a design like mandala art, right? Neither you can use this to look how it make. Okay, this is so easy to make a art. So if guys, if you like our design, so please do like and subscribe our channels. So here is my design. So please comment guys how the design is look like. Thanks for watching.